The Auditor General's reports and the Environmental Commissioner's reports, just wondering if there's any Green Party reaction, particularly to hazard maps. We seem to be falling behind, falling short of the target. And when it comes to the flood hazard portal that the government is rolling out, doesn't consider climate change.
No. We're, of course, the Commissioner for Environment and Sustainable Development reports are always critical. Seminole, I plan to actually put forward a written review and fuller reflections on it, both the Auditor General and the Commissioner for Environment and Sustainable Development. But it's obviously really a concern that we're falling behind on almost everything, and certainly on hazardous mapping, certainly floodplain mapping.